Every time you scroll, an invisible editor is deciding what you see. It isn't a journalist or a publisher, it's an algorithm. Its only job is to keep you watching, clicking, and engaged so it can sell more ads. It doesn't care about truth or balanced debate, it only cares about your attention. To capture it, the algorithm tracks your every move, what you like, what you hate watch, how long you linger on a photo. It uses this data to build a personalized universe just for you, a filter bubble. Slowly, without you even noticing, information that challenges your worldview just disappears. You stop seeing it. This feeds our natural confirmation bias, that comfortable feeling of being told we're right. The danger is that your neighbor is living in a completely different bubble. When you can't even agree on basic facts, how can you solve real-world problems? These bubbles harden into echo chambers, where opposing views aren't just ignored, they're mocked. We become polarized, viewing anyone who disagrees not as a person with a different opinion, but as an enemy. And what drives the most engagement? Outrage. Algorithms have learned that anger equals profit. They push the most extreme, divisive content to the top because it keeps us hooked. It's a form of emotional manipulation that makes the world feel more hostile than it really is. But you aren't helpless. You can take back control. Actively seek out sources you disagree with. Verify a story before you share that rush of anger. Clear your cookies. Ask yourself, is this post trying to inform me or just trigger me for a click? Your mind is your own. Don't let an algorithm think for you. True freedom is seeing the world beyond the pixels it curates.